quick video that might help some people out. We have a 19 plate van. Any of these Vauxhall, Combo, Peugeot, Partner, Citroën Berlingo, Diddy things with the 1.6 and the 1.5 engines, if you disconnect the battery at any point, you won't be able to start the car, or well, you won't be able to start the van afterwards. It'll just crank. Now, you won't get any fault codes for it, as you can see. Ignore that one, it's for a lock, but you won't get any fault codes for it. But all it'll do is this. So it'll just crank and it won't start with no faults. Nice, easy fix for it. All you need to do is take your keys out, shut the door, make sure the bonnet's down, and lock the car. And then 12 to 15 minutes later, you'll have a running van again. And by the magic of television, that will be right about now. And we're back after about 15-20 minutes. I normally leave them, well, just leave them 15-20 minutes. It's usually plenty of time. We should now have a running van, if all is well, which I'm sure it will be. There we go. So that is the fix for it. If you've had the battery off, or it's ran out and gone flat and you've basically lost the dash at any point, or if you've been doing some work and you've disconnected the battery for any reason, you're gonna have a van that won't start. It will crank and you'll have no fault codes, but it won't start because it won't give you any fuel, which then I've seen places in the past going down the avenues of fuel pumps and trying to work out why it's not giving any fuel when all they've done is change a battery. But that's the reason why. So just lock it 15-20 minutes, come back to it, it'll fire up right as rain, and job done. And it's anything 18 plate onwards ish for the Citroën Berlingo, Peugeot Partner, all of your 3008s, 2008s, anything that's got that 1.5 PSA engine. I think this one's this is a Vauxhall Combi, but it's the same thing. So just be mindful of that. It doesn't need any parts, just lock it and wait. It's the best fix in the world. Go and get a cup of tea. It's all good. Job done, on to the next one.